PolyBoard is not a CAD-based design software, but builds a virtual model from elements with specific properties stored in libraries. Each element is defined in how it looks and behaves relative to the other elements. Combined with flexible manufacturing methods, PolyBoard offers an unmatched degree of versatility and intuitivity. In this video, we will provide an overview of these libraries and methods that we offer with our Quick Design libraries. Let's open the Libraries menu and go through the different types. First, we have the panel materials. This library contains all the different available materials for your design. We have added a large number of materials and textures. You can add materials at any moment and predefine them according to the application. Colors or textures can be added as well as the definition of thickness, price, grain direction, and exportability for CNC manufacturing. Next is Edge Material Library. Here you can create all different types of edging material with their own colors and textures. Thickness and price parameters can be set according to the type. Bar materials. This is based on the same principle as the panel materials, but for bar materials. We have also created a large range of bar materials. These can be used, for example, to create frame doors. There are also a few specific libraries that are used during customization of elements. The Panel Structures Library, which contains customized applications on elements, applied in conjunction with the Open and Close Curve library. The Data Ranges, which allow conditional application of hardware. Also here we have created different types of data range applications. As this is a very specific library, do not hesitate to reach out for more information. The 3D Accessories library, which allows import of 3D DXF components to apply in your designs. We provide a set of 3D accessories for a variety of applications with our Quick Design libraries. The Fittings library contains all the hardware that can be applied to your designs. You can create your own hardware by adding it to the list and provide it with the needed tooling operations. On the right side, you will be given the visual of the hardware creation as the possibility to create some simulation to ensure correct behavior. The Single Panel Fitting library is similar to the Fitting library, but handles hardware with tooling application on a single panel, as for example handles, cabinet feet, or general accessories. This library works mostly in conjunction with the 3D Accessories library. Finally, we have the Rules library that applies a positioning rule to the hardware to ensure that it is used correctly in every situation. We have a large collection of rules that can be applied according to the needs. Next to the libraries, PolyBoard offers the possibility to use manufacturing methods. This is an automated way to apply material, hardware, edging, structures, build setups, and also controls all needed oversizing or spacings between elements. You can create an unlimited range of manufacturing methods depending on the different type of builds you require. Click on the manufacturing method icon in our Quick Design toolbar. We provide a large set of manufacturing methods. Each manufacturing method is made out of 10 sub-methods, and each of these controls a specific aspect of the design. The cabinet box full method controls the build of the carcass of the cabinet. We have already provided different carcass builds. The material style controls the application of materials, grain direction application via its reference axis, and the application of predefined structures. The edge style controls all edging application across the whole cabinet or project. The division controls all spacings, recesses, and groove connections for all internal elements. The fitting links applies all hardware and rules on the design in any given situation. The regular drilling applies top to bottom shelf pack holes for adjustable shelves across the whole cabinet or a pre-selected zone. It comes with the various flexible setting parameters. Grooves and oversizing controls all needed material and grooves oversize to fit the technical build of the design. The doors method controls all slack values to be applied depending on the selected door type. The drawers method controls also all slack values, but additionally defines the technical build of the drawer box according to the used drawer system. Finally, the assembled parts allows the creation of framed elements such as frame doors using panel and/or bar materials. The most used sub-methods can be found on our Quick Design toolbar, and all can be found via the Libraries menu sub-methods. Let's now have a look to the different ways of working with PolyBoard. PolyBoard allows you to act on individual parts, which adds to the flexibility in designing your projects. In this case, let's select the top shelf on the right side. In the property screen, go to the link parameters and select the frontage. We can see a current recess value of 30 mm. Let's change it to 100 mm. You can see that the recess has been changed accordingly. The second way is to apply a set method to perform changes. This is significantly faster than the application per part. We now want to recess all mobile shelves at 100 mm from the front. Click on the Division Submethods icon on our Quick Design toolbar. The pop-up screen will show the method that is used in the current cabinet. Select the line of the mobile shelf in relation to the front of the cabinet and change the value from 30 to 100 mm. Click on OK and confirm the method to the whole cabinet. You can see that all mobile shelves are now recessed at 100 mm from the front. Let's add some hardware using both earlier described ways of working. You see in the 3D that no hardware has been applied on the cabinet. Let's select the left side of the cabinet and in the property screen reselect its link to the top. There is a parameter called fitting link. Click on the 3 dots to enter the fitting link list. This provides a visual of the selected panels. Auto selection can be made on the left side of the screen that allows you to add more hardware on different panels. In the middle section, you can start adding hardware by clicking on the plus sign. Add a hardware type that you would like to apply. In this case, I add the Cabineo hardware from Lamello. We need also to add a positioning rule in order for PolyBoard to apply the hardware in a controlled fashion. Let's add a maximum distance rule, 50, 50, 400 in this case. You now see the hardware applied on the panels in the visual. To add flexibility in the application of hardware, it might be needed that at some point you need to shift the position of a single hardware without corrupting the positioning rule. This is done via the selector below the visual window. The hardware indicated in the blue color is the selected hardware. With the arrows, you can now select the hardware that you would like to shift to another position by adding a value in this field, for example 50 mm. You see that the selected hardware has now been repositioned. A second possibility is to remove the hardware by simply unticking the active box. The hardware is now removed without having any effect on the position of the other hardware. Ticking the box again will reactivate the hardware in its original calculated position by the rule. Click OK and you will notice that the hardware has now been positioned on the cabinet. The second way is to apply hardware using the fitting link submethod. Click on the fitting link icon in our Quick Design toolbar and the pop-up screen will appear. As this cabinet did not contain any hardware, the list is empty. We add a fitting rule by clicking on the plus sign. A selection menu appears and we can start selecting the panels. Open the cabinet box tool section and select the side. In the next section we do the same, but there we select the top and bottom. On the right side, we click on the plus sign and add the Cabineo hardware from Lamello. Add a corresponding rule to apply to the hardware. In this case, a maximum distance rule of 50, 50, 400. Click OK and the rules will be added in the midsection. Click again on OK and apply to the whole cabinet. You see now that the hardware has been positioned automatically on the top and bottom panel in relation with the side panels. Using a set method is much faster and accurate than a manual application on each item and prevents input errors from happening. Let's now activate a fully developed fitting link method. Select again the fitting link icon and the screen with the earlier implemented rules will appear. On the left side you can find pre-configured fitting link methods that comes with our Quick Design libraries. Let's select the nesting version using Cabineo and Legobox drawer system. You will immediately notice a full list of fitting rules. Click OK and apply the method to the whole cabinet. All the hardware was instantly applied to the entire cabinet. Hinges, drawer slider drillings, front attachments, shelf back holes, Cabineo hardware. This is a very fast, accurate and error-free application of hardware based on predefined application rules. Finally, a third way is the application of a complete manufacturing method. Click on the manufacturing method icon in our Quick Design toolbar. We select now this method using Hettich hardware and Avantic drawer system. In this case, the complete setup is reset and remodeled according to the new method, as you can see in the visual. Working with libraries and methods provides a very efficient design process. The methods offered with our Quick Design libraries are working methods and ready to use. You can use a method that is similar to your way of manufacturing and customize it further to match exactly your needs. We offer services through training and support packs to help you through the process, as also a fast-responding technical forum support that will advise you on any technical query you might encounter. Thanks for watching this video.